Today we have Dr. Farida Asani, Principal from St. Wilfrid PG College. First of all, thank you ma'am for joining us for this interview. Starting with the interview, I would really ask you ma'am to introduce yourself first.
Dr. Farida Asani, I'm Principal of St. Wilfrid's PG College.
Starting with the interview for the first question, being a part of management, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
My leadership style is completely a democratic leaders type of style, and I encourage all the faculty members, all the workers of the college, motivate them to work in an individual level as well as a team spirit.
Apart from that ma'am, in your opinion, what makes education the best industry to work in?
According to me, it is not industry. It is not at all industry. It is a culture where we structure our students and motivate them to learn in a systematic way.
Ma'am, what do you think should be the college's top priority over the next 5 years?
College top priority is to build structure, motivate the students, make them with good skills, promote the education in a moral way, in ethical way, and the student should learn how to be market ready, how to be empowered themselves, how to be good entrepreneur, and first of all, they should be a very good human being. Overall personality development should be there. They should be skilled enough to stand in the market. This is what my strategies for next 5 years.
Ma'am, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at St. Wilfrid's PG College?
Beyond curriculum, we are teaching the students in a very practical and applied way. Teaching them with association with the training partners. We hire the training partners from very good professional backgrounds, and we associate with them. We call them for our students. They help our students. They train our students. We have a separate training and placement cell where they are on toes. They are working hard for our students to make them market right, to make them so skilled that they can be, shine like stars.
What according to you ma'am is St. Wilfrid's PG College is doing to keep the student updated with the technological advancement that are currently going on?
All the e-resources, courses of SWAYAM, MOOC courses are being introduced to the students. We are having online classes, hybrid mode classes. We are having virtual classes, and hands-on practices are given to the students. And also we are having a very well-established e-library. So all the students, and technology-wise, we are teaching the students the soft skills and all the technical part of the study.
What according to you is St. Wilfrid's PG College doing to encourage and promote the students to come up with more innovative ideas so that students can work on startup and make India a startup country?
We are having our incubation cells. We are having student communities who are working hard on that, and along with that, we are also having our iStart setup in the college, where we are associated with Bhamashah Techno Hub, iStart of Government of Rajasthan, and we are having the collaboration with different NGOs also. We are having MOUs where we are working with them so that the students get the entrepreneurship ideas, business ideas, and different teams of government and non-government organizations. Also, some of our students are having the collaboration with international brands.
How do you define your connections with the students and faculty? How do you balance between the expectations from college and students?
Oh, it's a very difficult question, but yeah, it's a very good question. We are having faculty development programs. We are having some different resources where we are working on the training of the students as well as on the faculty, so that they get one level of learning, teaching learning process. So it is also known as experiential learning.
How do you plan on using the immense knowledge and experience you have gained over the decades, being an integral member of this institute?
Planning is a most important part. So strategic planning is the foremost part of the college, and for that we have a team. We have our deans and all the stakeholders also, where we invite the discussions, open discussions, and also the suggestions from different stakeholders, so that we can work hard on that and make a good planning and strategies for the upcoming years.
How do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
Marketing is a very demanding segment of all the private institutions, and here also we also plan in such a way. We are having a very good website, a very dedicated team who's working on marketing of online marketing as well as offline marketing also. For online marketing, we are also associated with groups like College Dunia, and of course we are doing at our own also. We are having a team who is working on Insta pages, on LinkedIn pages, on website working, on SEOs, and also we try to approach all the students worldwide.
How do you help your students to cope up with the high competition outside?
We are giving them good skills, we are polishing them, we are giving them training programs, we are providing them professional trainings in college itself.
Any feedback you would like to share with the new generation coming forward?
Yeah, so many suggestions, so many things I have to say to the new generation. First thing is, consistently they have to work hard, because there is no shortcut for hard work. I have seen this generation, they are very impulsive. Though they are very talented and they have this opportunity to get the technology. Here all are playing with all the new technologies. So I would like to suggest them to balance on how to use the technology in a good direction, in a focused way, and embrace what are the changes. So if they'll embrace the changes, they'll learn more, and they have to be innovative. They have to think of how they can do better and more better, and don't waste time, because time is very precious. There is a lot of competition worldwide, and to stand with this competition, to progress in that competition, they have to work really hard in a focused way. So they have to be focused, they have to be professional, they have to balance their life, their social media, their Netflix, everything they have to balance. So no doubt there are so many things to lose, so many things to gain.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and your valuable interview.
Thank you, and all the best, College Dunia, for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.